Hey guys, just doing a real quick review on my AC Infinity Grow Tent exhaust fan here. So I just got this one. I've used a lot of AC Infinity stuff before and I really like them. So I just got this one for my new setup. So I'm going to share with you what I think about it. First thing I want to show you is that when you are pairing it with your AC Infinity exhaust fan, it easily fits right inside there. Right, so I know I've had other ones where I've tried to set them up with other brands or cross brands and they weren't really compatible, right? So they might have the same outside diameter, so they kind of butt into each other. So you're not able to pair it directly with the exhaust fan directly with your filter. So I do like that. The only thing to note is that, you know, if you are trying to use your hose clamps or clamps around this, you really can't because this is all rigid. Right, so those are more for connecting your duct, but not this directly to, not these directly to each other. And then the other thing is this actually came with the AC Infinity controller here. So you'll see all my wires running. I'll straighten those up later, but I really like the controller, which is one of the reasons I got this, because I like simple and I like to be able to, monitor things from my phone, which this has an app that you can do. So one thing that I think is super important for you to know, if you look, you'll see you have a really long cord, right? So you're not going to run out of space wherever you decide to put this thing. This is what acts as the power to your controller. And like I said, you can run it out and do whatever you want with it. And then the probe that came with the controller too, right? So that's your humidity and temperature sensor. So